Hello everyone, it's day 24 and I'm gonna show you what I did today. So I started something big, guys. I'm gonna create uh, my own clan first portfolio template. And today what I did, this is my project. I created all the variables that I'm gonna use. You can see here my primary colors. This will be my primary colors. I'm gonna use black for the background, white for the text, beige for some of the details, purple for the accent colors, maybe buttons. I'm gonna use some shades of gray in the website. And here I have some transparent variables of the white. For I'm gonna need it for sure, so I created it. This will be my colors. For the typography, I'm gonna use Inter for the primary text for the headings. For the secondary, I'm gonna use Water. For the details, I'm gonna use Space Mono. You can see here I created modes for tablet or for mobile too, for the font sizes. I have the font weights here. I'm gonna use 400, 500 and 700 for regular, medium and bold. I created groups for every heading for the font size. It changes for the tablet and for mobile, so it's responsive. You can see it here. You can create the mode from here. I made them automatic. You can create the variables from here. You can create groups with swash. For example, if you want to make h1 variable, you write h1 and then you write font sizing just to see, and you see it's here now in the h1 group. Let's delete it. And that's how I created all the groups. I have group for the h1, for the h2, h3. And here I have sizes. I created a lot of sizes. Here are the fixed values that I can use. It's just a number that I'm gonna use. And here I have different sizes for the different sections. X small. I created the different modes for the desktop mode, tablet mode, mobile mode. And you can see here all the values. I created a spacer for the spacing, spacer values, tiny, medium, small, large. And I have different values for the different devices. So it's gonna be easier to make it responsive. And I have a group for the border radius. You can see it here. So this is my variable structure. It took me like 3 hours to make all these variables. And now I'm creating my style guide. Here I created a template folder. And here I did a style guide page. And I just started creating it. Here I will create every class that I'm going to use. I'm trying to do everything client first style. So here we have here a page wrapper, main wrapper, section resources, containers, And here I have section, and every section will be for different class groups. This one will be the core for the sections and the containers. Here I will make all typography classes, headings. Here the spacing, utility elements. I'm gonna view them tomorrow, and here you can see the in every item content you can see the class. This will be the page wrapper with the position relative and z index 1, the main wrapper that's gonna crop everything with position relative, the padding global, and tomorrow I'm gonna create all the classes that I'm gonna use. Everything I'll try to stick to all the client first principles, and I'm gonna really try hard to do everything right. So this is what I did today, guys. It took me like 4 to 5 hours to create everything. And I think tomorrow the setup will be ready and I will start building my first template. I plan to make this a portfolio template, guys. And when I make it, I will even try to put it on the Webflow marketplace for free, of course, if somebody wanna use it. And that's my plan for now, guys. I'm gonna try to make my first own template. Of course, I'm learning from another template from the marketplace. I watch the structure from that template. I'm trying to recreate some parts. Others I'm changing. I try to customize it and make it mine. But I'm looking for inspiration all the time. I also use ChatGPT to tell me how to make all the structure, how to make the style guide. I'm watching for another style guides, copy some things, learn from them, and try to make them mine. And that's how I'm learning, guys. That's what I'm doing. You can see the whole structure here. And if anyone is interested in me making much longer videos, like 3 or 4 hours videos where I create all of this, please write in the comments. I'm not sure if it's going to be interesting because most of the times I am trying to figure out how to approach building all of this, the variables, the style guide. But it's interesting, I think. It's hard for me now, but slowly I'm getting faster and I understand what I'm doing. So this is from me for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.